And the Indian personality of the year, Hema Malini ji is coming down. She'll be here. So Hema ji is very much there. So this is the kind of, what should I say, star component or prominent personalities, and there are many more. I mean,
Any international stars?
Well, as I said, there, I mean, we have issued roughly about 40 tickets so far because of COVID protocol, etc. We are getting the jury. Jury, all of them are going to be physically present, excepting one who had to back out from England because of some personal commitment. The chairperson is flying in. She's coming to India for the first time. Who's an icon in cinema from Iran, as I mentioned in the name. And the other members of the jury, there are quite a few stars. We'll give you the names, we'll give it out. So they about 12 of them are coming around the opening ceremony. What's happened is because of the clearance of visas, in the second half of the festival from 24th to 28th, that is when they will be available. Because of COVID protocols, etc. And those things we can't avoid. But yes, we are quite enthused by the response. We roughly had about 80 odd confirmations for people wanting to come to India for IFFI, and we issued roughly about 40 to 42 tickets. I mean, I just going by memory jogging that this is what it is. And then, so let's see. We have I mean, it's a good combination.
So thank you, sir. As you have got the briefing, but basically we all have to understand that we are slowly, so 51st city was just post-COVID, but we still had a COVID wave after that. So we are slowly going back to the regular IFFI, not on so much scale. We have both the hybrid models this time, but we will still be having some limitations in scale, even for the opening ceremony, even for the closing ceremony. Some limitations in number, some limitations in scale. So we are taking all the necessary precautions. So I think this is a turning point in the entire IFFI, that now post-COVID we are coming out. Goa also, as you are all realizing, tourism, there's a big boom that's happening. So this is the step in the right direction. We are moving towards normalcy, but we should also consider the fact that it will not be completely on the scale that it was going to be previously. So some restrictions would absolutely be there.
How many delegates have you
So delegate registration, we have received around now 3,000 applications, and we can say that around 2,000 we have confirmed. So we also want to request all, basically we have to take it in a baby step. So we are going to become bigger than 51st this time, and then we will take it as we see forward, and next time it can come back to complete normalcy.
Which are the OTT platforms now?
I had mentioned that to you, perhaps. Amazon Prime, Netflix,
Sony there.
Sony is there, Z5, all
Voot,
of them.
Voot
Voot,
also.
yeah, all of them are there. What they have done is that they've distributed it over a period of time. It has come out earlier in the TIV press releases as to who's doing what. So there are releases that would be there first time. Family Man is going to have a masterclass. Oh yeah.
So we must
Then-
recognize, yeah. So we must recognize. So if he is also changing with the times,
Yeah.
realizing that OTT is the future, but it's not competing with theater and cinema per se. The experience of cinema. So I think it's exclusive. Maybe it may be eating into cable per se, but the experience of cinema, the magic of cinema, I think coming in the festival, I think it's complementary, and it's wonderful that all these OTT platforms are here and coming together with IFFI. I think they recognize that there is enough space for both to be together.
Can you share any other highlights of master classes?
Well, if you want details, I'll give it to you
I
because
think,
yeah,
you can
because
release the detail. I
Yeah,
think
we'll
as
give you
press
the
release,
details.
otherwise it would.
we'll give you the details. You see, because we have quite a big list.
We
We're
have a
running
lot
about
of-
20 pages. You see, so yeah, I have a lot of
We'll be
info.
issuing some press releases.
Yeah,
talking about that.
yeah.
So
So
I just want to ask one question. Since the you said about the tribute part, the one of the Goans who have expired in April, Mr. Vaman Bhosle, is there any tribute for him since he's a Goan editor?
well, sir, you have flagged this to us. I mean, I'm sure. I mean, I to reply to you instantly. I think I can just check back and come back to you. Yeah, because there's a whole list of the images. Yeah.
I have three questions actually. One is regarding international competition. There are three Indian movies this time in the international competition section. And the question is always asked why we can't have neutral jury because since there is one member from India also. That is another thing. Another question is
Can I request you to come little in front so that we can Mike?
can you hear us, sir?
Can you come
Okay.
a little forward, please?
Little
Thoda
forward, please.
सामने आ जाओ, please.
But you want my question, sir?
Yeah, you were talking about the international
If you
jury.
can
Yeah, why
repeat,
we
sir.
can't have a neutral jury is one thing. And are there any science-related films that will be screened within the festival? And that is one request because there is in a homage section. Recently, one of the top film editor passed away from Goa, Vaman Bhosle.
Yes.
So there has been some request. Is there any chance of being screened?
Well, you see, it's. I mean, as far as the neutral jury is concerned, the international section is curated by the jury, right? So we have no role to play as always. Now, as far as the Indian representative is concerned, you have one who's there, a part of Madhav Panda. My name is Kalam Kalgita. He's the person who represents the Indian component of the 5-member jury that we have, and the jury is going to have physical screening. As far as what you just mentioned about the eminent filmmaker from Goa, I'll just check when you. I mean, as far as you're making a request, it should be there. If he's not there, let's be upfront. We would reach out to ESG to give us the volume, the body of work, which is very prominent, eminent, and you could make a suggestion to us. There's no reason why he cannot be included. There's no reason why.
And one question you had regarding the
Yeah,
science.
is there any science-related film? that
I'm
will be-
sure there are. I mean, it would be difficult to mention which film,
Okay.
but I'm sure there would be films which have a science-based theme or narrative.
And on another note, you will be aware, Honorable CM has recently, the curtain raiser for the India International Science Festival was also done, which is the premier such festival, which also has a science film festival component built in. That's from 10th to 12th December. So that will also be there. That was good.
So what is the budget for this time for you?
The ESG budget or the DFF budget?
Both.
That's- So I think it's very early for us to say. We are on the same lines as what was there last year. So I cannot give the exact this thing. We have taken approvals.
It was an approximate figure.
It will be somewhere around 16 to 18 CR, whatever government of Goa. But actuals last time, for example, we take budgetary approvals. Our expenditure last time was around 11 to 12. So it will all depend upon the actuals.
And what is the ratio about the breakup? How much is the DFF?
This is the government of Goa component, the DFF
No,
component.
as far as the government of India is concerned, there are certain responsibilities which the government of India does perform, and there are elements which the ESG does. As far as the government of government of India is concerned, that we had pitched it to about 9.5 crores, right? But let me tell you, successive years that we have done, if we whatever kind of allocation that is given, we are able to. I mean, it has not been based on actual. I mean, in terms of the total spend, as Tariq just pointed out, it's based on the actual spend. We need to have an envelope where we don't feel constrained. We are able to get the best as far as the festival is concerned. So, I mean, that's how it is.
There is a trend towards decreasing expenditure.
Yes,
So,
absolutely.
in fact, if you see the previous editions or this, it even used to go to 25 CR and all. So, even the government of Goa expenditure has been coming down year-wise. That there has been a trend towards it, more efficiency, and we work together. With the responsibilities between DFF and government of Goa are very well defined. We want to give a good festival also. At the end of the day, it has to the status that it enjoys. We have to also ensure that. So that is how we are working, and we are also working to optimize on expenditure.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Thanks.